This installation is the same for Forum, Ensemble, and Performa 2 baths. These are the tools and materials required for installation. Follow all local plumbing and building codes. Install on an adequately supported subfloor. If the subfloor is not level or access to shim is difficult, install with approximately 1 inch of Type N or Type S mortar to cover the base and contact area. Construct a plumb stud pocket 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch wider than the nominal product size. Refer to the rough-in information in the installation guide for additional guidance. Install the rough plumbing in the stud pocket and the drain to the bath. If provided, place the fill pad on the subfloor, ensuring it will contact all the support feet. It is recommended to staple or tape the fill pad to the subfloor to prevent it from moving. The fill pad serves as an isolation barrier between the bath and the subfloor to prevent noise. The following are not acceptable alternatives to the fill pad or mortar cement: expanding spray foam, gypsum plaster, thin set mortar, or roofing felt. Verify the apron supports are securely attached to both the apron and the basin of the bath. Lift and position the bath in the stud pocket. With the unit level, shim under the support feet as needed. This step is not required for a mortar bed installation. Attach the metal support clips to the bath flange at the location specified in the rough-in information. Confirm tub is level, front to back and side to side. Once level, use truss head screws to secure the metal support clips to the studs and bend the metal tab over the bath flange. Install plastic attachment clips at all remaining stud locations using truss head screws. The plastic clips serve as an isolation barrier between the bath and the stud pocket to prevent noise. For a custom wall installation on the Ensemble 60x32 and Forum 60x32, 60x36, and 60x42, cut the water containment tabs off the deck using a hacksaw.